Hello everyone, this is the part 4 of the general knowledge series and series playlist, and as well as video links I will post in the description box, so do check it out and see the video completely. Who invented electricity? Yes, the correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. Who invented watch? Yes, the correct answer is Peter Henlein. Who invented air brake? Yes, the correct answer is Westinghouse. Who invented synthetic rubber? Yes, the correct answer is Fritz Hoffmann. Who invented printing press? Yes, the correct answer is Johannes Gutenberg. Who invented lift? Yes, the correct answer is Alicia Otis. Who invented electric generator? Yes, the correct answer is Michael Faraday. Who invented atomic bomb? Yes, the correct answer is Robert Oppenheimer and Edward Teller et al. Who invented rocket engine? Yes, the correct answer is Robert Goddard. Who invented pH meter? Yes, the correct answer is Arnold O. Beckman. Thank you for watching the video and Jai Hind.